In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on a MacBook Pro 2015. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is a little simple, but I will say it is going to be a little hard to demonstrate since I am currently screen recording. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is first find and hold down that power button until your MacBook completely turns off, and just keep holding it down until the screen goes fully black. From here, press and hold that power button again, but this time keep holding it until you see the continue holding for startup options appear. Once you see the startup options begin loading, you can let go, and after a moment you'll see your main drive along with an options button. Go ahead and click on options and then hit continue to enter recovery mode. Your Mac will now start loading, and you'll eventually be on a screen asking you to select a user that you do know the password for. Since we're going to be resetting it here, go ahead and select forgot all passwords, and the system will then guide you through recovery. If your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you'll need to sign in with that account, and if you don't remember the password, select forgot the password option, and you'll usually be asked to enter in an email address or phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will then send you a verification message so that you could reset your password, and once you do complete the steps, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your MacBook. It really is as simple as that. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.